Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Soundpad in Discord. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is download and install Soundpad from their official website, and then allow the software to create virtual audio device that can now act as a bridge between your sound files and Discord. Alright, so now configure your Discord audio settings. Jump into Discord, go to user settings, look for voice and video, and then disable echo cancellation, noise suppression, and automatic gain control. Set audio subsystem to standard and restart Discord for optimal compatibility. In Discord's input device settings, select Soundpad Virtual Audio as your microphone, load your sound files into Soundpad and assign hotkeys for instant playback during your conversations, and then you can use Soundpad's voice volume measurement tool to ensure that your audio levels exceed 74 decibels. Increase Windows microphone volume if this is necessary to prevent Discord's automatic sound filtering from blocking your audio altogether. You should now have Soundpad working properly in Discord.